Give that creeper a hat. Captain ALM. Hello, Captain ALM here. Support video, hooray, on one of my own programs. So today, I'm doing that video. Support of Ccgs Rdp 1.0 beta. It's the beta version, okay? So, let's begin. As you can see, we're here. Cool. I've got it saved here. You've got full cross for the readme instructions in the beta, and you've got two options here. I'd recommend this if you're using an older operating system such as Vista, XP and anything below that. For any newer operating systems, I suggest this one, 7 and above, especially Windows 10. I'll just show you an example of it. I've installed both .NETs, so if I double click this one, splash screen. Once it loads, you should see this screen here, and you should have 3 options: an about, an exit, and help, and start button. I'll be showing you with .NET 4 because it's much quicker. I'll show you. Right, there we go. .NET 4 is always quicker. Right, the about button just displays this. Oh, I do allow distribution. It is under the GNU. You can decompile it if you like. I love decompiling. I love people. I hope you do some stuff with it. Help button will redirect you to my YouTube page. Okay. This thing exits. That also does the same thing as exit button. Now I'll show you something. Select one of these 3 things. There's 3 of them. Select start. Once you start, you'll wait until that comes up. If you exit remote desktop, it should come up with that. Click yes or close. Another way of ending remote desktop is clicking the close button. Especially if remote desktop starts not responding, you can use close to exit it. Another way of doing it is pressing X. So hit start button, hit connect, wait. Now type in your user. Type in your username, type in your password. Don't forget to add CCGSF in front of your username, backward slash, otherwise it won't work. This is an example of it. I'm going to type in my username. So that's just showing you, and now you can see that I've logged into my account. I'm a programmer after all. I managed to get into the school system. It was a simple job. And then you just wait for the screen desktop to come up to see. Don't fiddle around with that. Don't fiddle around with that. Don't touch that. You may be, first of all, straight away confused because if you go to all programs, there's nothing there. Don't be confused. It's normal. You need to actually have all the shortcuts there. Distributed with beta is the shortcut folder, and I distribute the C shortcut I can find you for stuff. Notepad hasn't been shortcuts and distributed, so I have to find it manually. I've distributed all these shortcuts here apart from this lot, that's mine. Anyway, so that's basically, this is, as you can see, Another thing I've done is it adds your computer's drives. If this error comes up on your local computer, try the alternate. I'll show you the alternate now. Right. If it works, select yes or close. If it doesn't work, select no. Select alternate. You get a list of alternates. GIMP and Odyssey though have no alternate available. Okay, so I'll show you the computer science one now. As you can see, I did do CHS apps for that one, but it works here too. Is it different? Yes, because these shortcuts don't show up instead. It's the programming shortcuts that will show up. That's that. Click this X while it's all running, and that will do that as well. Weird. Right, I'm going to hit no again, and then we can select the last one. As you can see, I'm now logging in again. Plan user settings, plan redirection, fast forward redirection, group policy, program Windows. Right, a few things just to say. The other 4 desktop connections don't support sound. This one supports sound, luckily. This one only has 1, 2, 3 programs plus that and that. However, Internet Explorer works properly on this. The other ones where it blocks it, this one's unblocked. Hooray! Like the old Ccgs Rdp apps, which has now been deleted because they said use the new feed system. But I fix it. That's how. I'll show you an example of somebody opening up an application. Right, see, opened up Paint, it works. You can save it to your school account. You can save it. You can save stuff to your normal computer, and that's about it. By ALM remote desktop connection launcher 1.0 on Winx 80 Win x86 using .NET Framework 4 correct by Captain ALM independent developer. Program distribution GNO General Public License version 3 June 2007. C Captain ALM 2013-26 Allow distribution ID IAD. Contact at captainalm0050@gmail.com. Report bugs from UK. Ignore this. Don't report bugs for this version because it's a beta. Doesn't say it there. You see, there's a drop-down box to select computers. You get start button, help button. We'll start up Internet Explorer. Currently this is all that's there, placeholder video. That'll be replaced once this video is finished with this video. Hooray! So that's about this. That's about it. And just to show you the other version works the same way, I'm going to show you She works the same. We'll select a random computer. Click start, click connect, show you it all works. It's not a virus, as I just proved to you. That's the development version, and that's round about it. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed. But for now, it's goodbye from Captain ALM.